In the manufacturing industry, we pride ourselves on continuous improvement, becoming more efficient so we can spend more time on real innovation, making our products perform even better, getting more from our machines, and making our factories leaner. Helping you achieve this is what drives the Product Design and Manufacturing Collection. We've taken the tools trusted by millions of engineers worldwide like Inventor, AutoCAD, Autodesk Nastran, and HSM and brought them together so they could be accessed by everyone on your engineering and manufacturing teams. Design and engineering, advanced simulation, 2.5 to 5 axis CAM, sheet metal nesting, and factory planning all working together inside Inventor. And when you need to work on electrical schematics, concept layouts, point clouds, or a large design review, there's a seamless connection to your centralized design data. And best of all, you stay at the forefront of product development with access to the latest capabilities as soon as they're available. Whether it's enhancements in a steady stream of new releases for the products you use today, or incorporating new disruptive technologies like Fusion 360 and generative design into your workflow, we've put this collection together for a single purpose so you can design, simulate, and make anything with Inventor and Product Design and Manufacturing Collection.